The sum of the rate of interest of 1993 to 1997 is, it means it should be 2 over here. 1993 to 1997 is. So add all of them between 1993 and 1997. See here it's written 2, that's why. So add it 9 plus 10 plus 8 plus 12 plus 11. Check these 1993, 94, 95, 96, 97. So that is 50%. Now if the question would have been 1993 and 1997, then the answer would have been 1993 is 9 and 1997 is 11. Just add them and 20%. Here 2 and that's the difference. Okay. Next, study the graph given and answer the questions given below. So this is the graph. Graph is in temperature on y-axis and days on x-axis. So these are the temperatures of various days given. Okay. So let's start. On which day was the temperature 29 degrees? Okay, 29. Where is it? Here it is 29. 28 and 30 in center 29. So it goes to Thursday. Thursday was the day. Next, on which day was the temperature the least? Least means lowest. When is it? It is on 25 degrees centigrade. Others are all about 25. So it was on Sunday. Answer is Sunday. Next, which was the coldest and hottest day? Okay, coldest and hottest. So coldest is what? When 25 degrees. Okay. So to watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.